Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Print Storage here. Today's a little bit of a different video. It's not a video walkthrough at all. We're talking about the Subaru Badge of Ownership. Now, I showed you guys earlier in the year that this is now available to us in Canada. Before, it was only available in the US. So what is Subaru Badge of Ownership? It's a way to show off your Subaru pride. This is my second Subaru, and you can get little kind of like Boy Scouts and Girl Scouts have merit badges, kind of the same thing. So in my case, my 2012 Outback has almost 400,000 kilometers. So I have 100,000 kilometers plus 200,000 kilometers. Once I hit 400,000 kilometers, I'll add another 100,000 kilometers piece. So I'm going to show you how to apply it to your vehicle today. So when you go to the badgeofownership.ca, which I'll link in the video description below, you can print this off. And this is your instructions. Now, I've cut it off, and the reason I've cut it off is we have a template. So there's a little bit more than just the template that I've cut off, but this is what you need. And essentially what you do is you line it up with your body line. They say use masking tape. I just had non-clear tape with me. And that's what you use to kind of set up your badges. So it says to clean the area that you want to apply it to with a mix of 50% isopropyl alcohol IPA, ironic for those craft beer drinkers out there, and water. I'm just going to use some mixing vodka that I have here and a paper towel, and I'm going to wipe down the area. Alternatively, if you have any accessories like bumper step pad, anything like that, Subaru has supplied you with 2 alcohol wiping pads that you can use. Works the same thing. Wipe it down with water, alcohol, anything cleaning really. Glass cleaner will work just fine. That's what we use for a lot of our stuff at the dealership. Dry it down. Make sure you cap whatever you used as a cleaning agent so you don't spill it. Your dogs don't spill it, kids, etc. Take your template and, excuse the view of the back of my head, line it up with where you want it and apply the tape. There you go. Doesn't look like much. Now, each of the back of the badges has 3M. So be careful when you apply this, because once it's on real good. So you guys get to watch me struggle with 3M for a second. I have a notoriously bad rap with 3M. It doesn't like to cooperate with me, no matter how hard I try, no matter what precautions I take. And if you guys have the Subaru Badge of Ownership, please, I'd love to see them. Show them off. Send me an email with them. I think it's super cool with that stuff. So I'm going to start with the second, because it's my second Subaru. And I don't know if the camera will pick this up. There's a little tab right here, a little notch. And that's where you put these additional tabs. Sorry, I'm working kind of backwards here. So tabs, that'll go in it. So first one, 3M off. Gonna line it up here, and there you go. Once 3M's on, it's really on, so be careful, essentially. Give it a good rub. That's what I always recommend with anything. Ideally, you can do this on a hot day with the sun heating up your vehicle, or heat gun, blow dry, or something like that. It just makes the 3M adhere a little bit better. Now, you don't want it volcanic. You don't want it sitting in 55 degrees. So if you're one of the sunny states, California, Soyuz in BC, something like that, you got to be a little careful. So there's number one. I'll do the 100,000 kilometers next. So yeah, I'm almost at 250,000 miles on my Outback. I've noticed that Subaru's doing a little bit of a media blitz about cars hitting 400,000 kilometers. So hopefully after this one here hits 400,000, they'll feature me. It'd be nice. I'm just about there. I think I'm 394,000 kilometers and change, almost 395. So we'll see how that goes. So second one, I've got this little tab. I'm just going to line it up, and it fits right in before you press down. And then, of course, these secondary badges also have this little this little notch where you can put the others. So you can get everything. You can get dogs, you can get biking. There's a pride rainbow. I think there's Marathon. There's a lot. There's like 25 or 30 available to Canadians. I think it's a little bit more for those of you in the US. On goes to 200,000 kilometers. And like I said, once I hit 400,000 kilometers, I'll order another 100,000. I'll do a short installing that. I line it up, slide it in, push down, and there you go. All you have to do, peel the tape, pull the little template off, and we'll get a little closer look at that for you guys. There is almost 400,000 kilometers of Subaru Badge Pride on my 2012 Outback. So I am Tyson, the Subaru specialist from Subaru Print Storage. If you guys have any questions about installing that or any other accessories in the Subaru lineup, please put it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll talk soon.